Gamewell Century Pole, the Faraday Chevron F1 GT, the 5522W Vintage 90 Faraday Remote Strobe, Surface Metal Grill, and of course the Mass in beige set to the Warble tone. Coming in here, still got the 2-wire setup in progress. This is for Vintage Fire Alarm Guy on YouTube. And there is the ADT 5060-S conventional fire alarm pole station in the 892. Got the 895 next to it. So I guess here we go. Panel's already open. New requested system test 10 in 3, 2, 1. Skipped a beat there. Nothing too serious. And we will go ahead and test the smoke for this test for you. So I figured you've probably not seen this too much. Very strong magnet. And there's the 5522W remote strobe metal grill version and the 2098 series Hochikiri brand smoke for Simplex. Magnet test and verification. I guess I'll put this on the side of my panel here. We'll silence the trouble. Go ahead and shut her up and... well, hope you enjoyed, buddy. There you go. Ouch.